Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review and we are covering 3 best gimbal for mirrorless cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is MOZA AirCross Gimbal 3-axis Handheld Stabilizer for Mirrorless Camera. If you want to purchase a gimbal that has a magnificent stabilization and also includes remarkable features at a reasonable price, then AirCross by MOZA can be your favorite gimbal for mirrorless cameras. So, if you are looking for a gimbal with 3 axes, then this one surely offers great features in this domain. Of course. As a gimbal for a reasonable price, it does not have excessive options when it comes to rotations. But if you desire to have a simple 3-axis option with all the necessary features, then it is made for you. One of the main issues which really break the hearts of users is battery life. So it is expected that you are not looking for something similar. So ever thought of having a gimbal with a limitless battery time? You guessed it right. The AirCross by MOZA comes with great power supply technology that allows you to use the gimbal for hours and hours. It has an option of charging the batteries externally, and it also comes with separate dummy batteries. This feature is awesome to let you shoot as long as you want. So no more worries about the battery time. It is also seen that most of the videographers and photographers want to time-lapse their work. For this specific reason, they use software or built-in camera features. It surely creates a hassle and needs a lot of time. But AirCross is the gimbal that has a built-in feature for time-lapse. You can connect your mirrorless camera with the gimbal with a cable, and begin the time-lapse. The next thing you would see will be magic. The gimbal also comes with a mimic motion control (MMC) feature to ensure still images and videos. Also, this feature is not as great as people were expecting, but it can somehow be useful. Nevertheless, one of the major drawbacks in this gimbal is the twitchy smartphone application. And also, if you want to use all the features of this gimbal, then you have to buy separate accessories. Also, this gimbal only has a payload of 950 grams. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Ronin-M Gimbal Stabilizer V3 new version. It is a 2-handled gimbal that looks almost like a giant, but when you hold it, then you will find small enough to take it everywhere. This version of Ronin enables you to pack your bags and capture the journey through your mirrorless cameras. And do you know what's more awesome? Well, the capacity of payload it can bear. You can attach external equipment as much as 8 pounds. You might be thinking that there won't be any need for such a heavy gimbal for mirrorless cameras, but who knows, you might need to add accessories later. Also, it can be beneficial for you, if you have multiple cameras, as it can carry the load of most DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. Most of the heavy-duty gimbals seem to be hard to set. But for this gimbal, all you need 5 minutes to make sure the camera is attached accurately. So mounting a camera on this gimbal is not hard, also the balancing is great. The body of this gimbal is solid enough, as it is made from good quality magnesium. This helps you in giving strong support and great stabilization. The U-shaped arm keeps your grip tight so that you can capture videos and images without worrying about losing the grip. Lastly, the gimbal has a full-featured remote mobile application, which can run smoothly on every operating system. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Pilotfly H2 3-axis handheld gimbal for Sony A7 cameras. If you want something professional, then try the Pilotfly H2. Though it's full of mind-blowing features as compared to other gimbals, its availability at affordable prices is a blessing. It is another heavy-duty gimbal that is created with strong aluminum alloy. Also, its durable nature keeps you flexible when it comes to recordings. It has a magnificent performance, and one of the best stabilization features in the entire gimbal market. It has dual and strong brushless motors with 32-bit triple MCU technology. Also, it comes with 2 built-in IMU sensors. So no wonder why Pilotfly H2 is a choice of professionals. Despite a heavy-duty construction, this gimbal is not heavyweight. It is because the features are so beautifully designed and compact together that it leaves a lot of space when holding it. Hence, it permits easy handling, as well as clear display. This is surely an important feature to understand because some gimbals, although with great features, are unable to provide a clear view. They block display and create a lot of hurdles for the user. Thanks to the makers for carefully designed everything that keeps you on track. Also, you can help yourself with single or dual grips without any effort. The rotation is quite smooth that helps you to record professional footages. So, whether you want to record a music video, an interview, or anything, the Pilotfly H2 can be your buddy all the time. Plus, the application for smartphones works tremendously fine. And guess what? The battery time is around 26 hours. OMG, no one can beat that stuff. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.